Did you know that robots can even understand our emotions? This would essentially make us wonder whether this industry has advanced. Well, the answer to it is a big yes. Moreover, why do these robots have to be human-like? In a nutshell, we can say that the future is here. Welcome to another exciting video, folks. Today, we'll be looking at the most advanced AI robots in the world. Before we begin, hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification to stay updated. Without any further ado, let's begin. Number 10. Handle. Have you ever seen robots unloading boxes in trucks? Well, don't be surprised. The Handle, a humanoid robot, has great vision software programmed into it, which helps to perform such tasks accurately. In an hour, it can pick up about 360 boxes. Isn't that just amazing? To balance movements, it has a swinging tail. Using the tail can easily balance the weight of the box. Mostly, the two wheels attached to it speed up the task. It can move around swiftly due to its wheels. The wheels come in handy while they're moving on a flat surface. However, it also has legs that can take it anywhere quickly. It's pretty amazing to watch it do the tasks within a short period. Number 9. Digit. A stereotypical rigid robot is an image we have when we think about a humanoid. Artificial intelligence itself is considered one of the biggest wonder inventions. When this combines with unique and dynamic technology, it goes without saying that the product is going to create a sensation. That's exactly what happened with the Digit humanoid. Initial tasks assigned to these robots were moving packages and delivering packages. When Ford and Agility announced the collaboration, we never thought they would come up with something so efficient as this. The robot will last for 1.5 hours and has a speed of 1.5 m per second. They can also run continuously for 3 hours while doing light work. Last mile delivery is the next feature Agility is working on right now. Soon they'll add heads also to this bot. Digit was designed differently from others. While most of the robots were focused on a single task, Digit is focused on multitasking. Number 8. Pepper. Imagine that you met a robot as a receptionist of a company. How does it feel? The very first thing that comes into your mind would be, can robots understand our emotions? Well, it's just a machine. Is that even possible? Truth be said, Pepper can understand basic human emotions. And it is the first social humanoid robot. Yes, you heard it right. Pepper is a perfect companion in the retail and fashion industries. Pepper gets into the conversation as soon as he sees a person. He's an adorable creation one would like to initiate a conversation with. SoftBank produced it as a social humanoid robot to remove the stereotypes a human usually has about robots. In Japan, over 100 stores are using Pepper as a tool to amuse clients and customers. The 120-centimeter tall robot has sensors that make him understand his surroundings and hence make independent decisions. In a nutshell, Pepper will be a fun and interactive tool to promote a business or a product. What's much more effective than having Pepper as a tool that creates great in-store experiences? Number 7. Atlas. Would you like to have a robot accompany you in a search and rescue operation? Boston Dynamics didn't shy away from creating the most dynamic humanoid robot ever. The state-of-the-art and algorithm of the robot help it to have human-like agility. It has one of the most compact mobile hydraulic systems. This enables it to deliver high power to any of its hydraulic joints. It can fly around and do somersaults and whatnot. The advanced control system in it helps to plan body movements accordingly. It can move its whole body with grace and speed and resembles human-like movements. Atlas has depth sensors that help it to understand its surroundings or environment. Leaps, bounds, and flips. You can train Atlas to do just anything within a short matter of time. Inspired by human movements, you can push the robot to its limits. Now the robot is in the process of making use of hardware and software to improve mobility. Number 6. Spot. Doesn't a robot dog sound like an exciting invention? It's as good as a real dog at sensing and detecting the surroundings. Spot can inspect the terrain safely and accurately. The robot can make much more efficient decisions and can carry them out efficiently. It can easily carry up to 14 kilograms of equipment. You can control the robot using a tablet application and stereo cameras. You can see Spot in the manufacturing, construction, research, and power industries. It's the most customized robot ever made for industrial uses. Some unexpected applications of it are gauge reading, thermal inspection, site documentation, radiation detection, leak detection, tunnel inspection, gas detection, and many more. We can say that Boston Dynamics knew the assignment and did what was needed to make an industrial companion a reality. Number 5. HRP 5P. What if a robot could carry out the tasks autonomously? Isn't it one excellent advantage? You don't have to risk it all. The robot can even function under hazardous conditions, which humans find hard. Japan's Institute of Advanced Industrial Science and Technology came up with this wonderful idea by keeping the labor shortage in the country in their mind. One fact about the robot that will blow your mind is that it took 20 years of research to introduce this robot. During this time, they've created several predecessors to HRP 5P that helped them to constantly experiment and bring out change. The humanoid robot is equipped with sensors that help in object recognition, motion planning, task control, and execution. Number 4. Serena 4. This is the most advanced humanoid robot introduced by Iran so far. About 50 researchers were involved in the building and assembling of Serena 4. One of the main goals they had while designing Serena was to improve the robot's interaction with the environment and people. At present, the robot can efficiently track objects and can manipulate different objects, even delicate ones. The custom force sensor is another advantage that helps the robot to step over uneven surfaces by adapting to the angle. In the previous generation, Serena, the speed of the robot was 0.3 km/h. Now it is 0.3 km/h. You can see Serena at trade shows and international conferences. Number 3. Aquanaut. Want to meet a dynamic underwater transformer? If yes, Aquanaut will make you wonder how far the technology has grown in a short period. We know that NASA has proved its proficiency in the space exploration and experimentation sector. Now it's time that they establish their efficiency in underwater functions. This robot is a breakthrough in the maritime industry. Johnson Space Center and Houston collaborated to create a robotic diver that would help reduce shipping costs drastically. Guess what? It became a huge success. Now it is in the process of understanding and manipulating the surrounding environment. It can operate valves and inspect subsea oil and gas infrastructure at present. It can go up to 984 feet deep. Number 2. Stuntronic Robot. Have you ever been to Disney parks? Then you must have come across a Stuntronic robot. It was built to entertain people. It can effortlessly perform aerial flip twists, poses, and dynamic movements which will leave you amused. The sensors incorporated into the robot help it to make its own real-time decisions. Did you know the humanoid robot can fly up to 60 feet in the air? In short, it knows when to do a somersault and when to do a flip. It's well programmed so that just anything won't limit it from doing a few hazardous stunts. Number 1. Sophia. The world's first robot citizen. Want to find out what it is? Sophia, the humanoid robot. This is the most advanced humanoid robot we have now. It can give us a wink and even purse its lips. It was first activated in 2016. The robot got much fame after attending several interviews. It can recognize individuals and can maintain eye contact. The lifelike skin used on it helps to make over 60 expressions. Ultimately, it'll become a good fit for healthcare, education, and customer service fields. In 2019, it proved that robots can even draw a portrait or even create a masterpiece. Sophia has even appeared in many music videos and even on a magazine cover. What we can understand after hearing about all these robots is that in no time robots will develop the power to function like human beings. Scientists are extremely focused on making robots more human-like. We'll have to wait and see where it'll take us to. With that, we've come to the end of the video. Thank y'all for watching. If y'all liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notifications.